Introducing the ColorKey Halo Spot 100, a powerful, compact moving head that packs professional-grade features into a portable body. Perfect for DJs, small venues, or mobile productions, this fixture combines a crisp 100-watt white LED spot with a vibrant RGB halo for immersive lighting effects. The Halo Spot 100 features a 7-piece color wheel, offering a vibrant palette with variable speed indexing in both directions. Its 7-piece Gobo wheel lets you project patterns and textures with fluid transitions, while the 3-facet prism multiplies your beam into eye-catching mid-air effects. Whether you're crafting a subtle ambiance or high-energy visuals, this compact fixture gives you the tools to build stunning scenes on the fly. Thanks to the perfectly positioned optics, the gobos on the Halo Spot 100 are always in focus, regardless of the throw distance. When it's time to hit the road, the Halo Spot 100 makes mobile life easy. Weighing in at just over 6 pounds, it's light enough for single-person setup, but powerful enough to stand out in any rig. Including quick-release mounting brackets, it's fast to install and reposition, a must-have for on-the-go entertainers, rental setups, or pop-up productions. Whether you're looking to spotlight performances, create dynamic stage visuals, or fill a room with colorful energy, the Halo Spot 100 delivers standout performance in a travel-ready form. The Halo Spot 100 is also available as a pair in a comfortable padded carrying bag. Add brilliant color and immersive lighting effects to any event with the Halo Spot 100 from ColorKey. Ask for it at your favorite lighting retailer today. Visit us at colorkeyled.com for more information, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date information on new ColorKey product releases.